All right, example 2 for gravimetric stoich. How many grams of sulfur trioxide, so that's my unknown, will be produced when 80 grams of sulfur, so this is my known, reacts with excess oxygen gas? So for this question, the most common mistake that would be made is students forgetting to put the subscript of 8. So sulfur always comes in molecules with groups of 8 sulfur atoms. And it's reacting with excess oxygen, so this is O2 gas, to produce sulfur trioxide. In order to balance this, when I take a look at the sulfur, I've got 8. Here I have 1, so I'll have to put an 8 here. This gives me a total of 24 oxygen, 8 times 3, so I need to put 12 here to balance. We are given 80 grams of sulfur, 80.0, and we're asked to find the mass of sulfur trioxide. So this is my known. This is my unknown. So my first step is we take grams of our known and convert that to moles of our known. Then we use our mole ratio to find moles of the unknown, and then finally back to grams. So we'll start with 80 grams of S8, and we'll cancel out grams. So we have grams of S8 per 1 mole of S8. Now remember that the molar mass of sulfur is not 32.07 grams per mole. It's 8 times that because each molecule has a total of 8 atoms, for a total of 256.56 grams. So grams of S8 cancel, and we have moles of S8. This is the step where we use our mole ratio. So I want to cancel moles of sulfur and convert to moles of sulfur trioxide. So my coefficient is 8 over 1. Moles of sulfur cancel. Last step, I want to convert moles of sulfur trioxide to grams of sulfur trioxide. So we'll cancel moles of SO3 by putting it on the bottom per gram of SO3. So we have 80.07 grams of SO3. Moles of SO3 cancel, and we're left with grams of sulfur trioxide, which is what we were solving for. And the answer is 199.775 grams. If I round this correctly to the significant digits, it's going to be 200 grams of SO3.